project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Wow, what a cool book! Let's sneak a peek inside. Oh, wow, it's a puzzle! Let's start with this one and put these pieces together. It's Sky! Let's see if we got any reward. A recording studio? Yay! I've always wanted to see how they create songs. Sky, wake up and shine, dear! Wakey, wakey, sleepyhead. Do you hear me? Is it already morning? Yes! What outfit do you want? Wait, I gotta go to the bathroom. Sure. Would you like to take a bath? Is the water warm enough? Next, shower gel. This one has a lovely floral scent. It tickles. We're done. Let's dry you with a towel. That's better. Now it's time to brush your teeth. Wait, it's an emergency. Right, you're gonna need this. Phew, much better. Could you help me dry my hair? Now we can finally get you dressed! Yay! What do we pick? I think this crop top and this skirt will be perfect. Now the shoes. Aha! Yes, just what we need. You look awesome, Sky. It's time to go. Let's put together the second puzzle. It's Vega. She'll go to the skate park. Did someone say skate park? Yep, take your skateboard and go ahead. Wait, I need to get ready and choose my outfit for today first. Great, come, I'll help you. What do you like? I like this and this. You look great. This outfit seems very comfy. It is. Oops, I forgot. I need to eat breakfast. How about some coffee? Yay! That's so yummy. But I'm not done yet. I want to play, just a bit. Take this. Aha! Gotcha. Vega, it's time to go. Thanks, Sue. Don't forget your helmet. It'll protect you. While Vega's busy, we'll solve another puzzle. Woohoo! It's Lumi! She'll go to a clothing store. Yay! I love clothing stores! But I need to put on makeup first. Let me help you. We'll apply a bit of highlighter and some blush. Awesome! Let's brush your hair, too. Mumi, are you hungry? How about some rolls? Yes, please! I love them! Yummy! Let's pick your outfit. How about this skirt? Cool! I like it! Wow, it's so you! Let's brush your teeth and you're ready to go. The girls are busy. I need to finish the puzzle on my own. A concert! Today! Yay! They need to get ready. Oh no! I almost forgot! Give me my guitar. I'll practice. No worries. There's still a lot of time. We need a show outfit for you! This one's perfect! And now, the guitar. I think this one's better. Not bad. But how about another hairstyle? Okay, let's try this one. Wow, you look super cute. Hey, I need another hairstyle too. Sure, let's see what we can do. How about long braided hair? Do you like it? I love it! So stylish! Time to change outfits! All done! But Sue, I also need a microphone. Here you go. Sue, I bought so many new clothes. Whoa! My show outfit's ready! But now, I need a new hairstyle! I have an idea. That's just what I wanted! Thanks for helping us get ready, Sue. We need to run. It's getting late. Bye!
Ooh, I love K-pop songs. They are so catchy!
Let's turn the sound up.
Bam! Time for my guitar solo! Sue, come on! Shake it up!
This show is so fire. Do you think I could become an idol too, Sammy?
Oh, for sure. But you should have a fancier microphone.
Oh, really? Could you help me make it cooler?
Magic will help us. Abracadabra! Ta-da!
It really looks very glamorous, but now it's a bit too small for me.
Oops. How did it happen?
Huh?
Luckily, it's my size, so I can become an idol.
Whatever. I'll create my own K-pop band.
Sounds great. We'll see who gets more fans then. I'll invite you to my solo concert, Sue.
Sure, Sammy. But first, check this out.
Whoa, that's not fair. I want to take part in this project too. Let me join you. Pretty please. Is this a magic pencil? It draws so well and fast. Unbelievable.
We can probably say that it's magical. Look!
Woohoo! That's Lumi. She's my favorite. This magic pencil can help us draw anything.
Haha, that's true.
Let's draw Vega in the center. Her ideas move the band.
Good idea, Sammy. And Sky is right here on the right.
Do you think Vega will teach me to play the guitar?
I think she'll teach you skateboarding. Sky can teach you to play the guitar.
Right. Let's draw a recording studio and a skate park.
I like the way you're thinking. The girls will have many activities.
Then we need to draw something for Lumi, too. What can it be, Sue?
Why don't we ask Lumi?
Whoa! What kind of magic is that? Hi, y'all! Sammy, is there something you want to ask me?
It's really Lumi. Whoa, I'm actually your fan, and I wanted to ask you.
Relax, Sammy. Lumi is cool. Just ask away.
What do you like? I mean, what should we add to our game?
Thanks for asking, Sammy. It would be great to have wigs and also sneakers. Yeah!
Got it. Let's see what we can do.
Wow, that's exactly what I wanted. And what about my room?
It's gonna be very bright and very colorful and so cool.
Sammy is right. I think these cheerful colors will be great for Lumi.
Oh, my feta! This is the cutest mirror ever!
It's a bunny mirror. Sweet!
Yeah, I made it especially for you. Let's design other rooms too.
I can help. Sky likes unusual furniture and a lot of greenery.
Oh, I see. Then she's gonna love this chair. And I'll also add a few houseplants.
Amazing! That's her style!
Then I'll continue. We'll need more furniture to make this room more comfortable.
Can I create the next room? I'll use magic!
Go ahead, Sammy.
Yay! Sammy designed Kadabra!
Oh, wow. Sammy, that's very cool, but a bit spooky.
I agree. Those cobwebs. Creepy.
But don't worry, we can liven it up in no time. 3, 2, 1. No cobwebs to scare us.
Phew! Thank you so much, Sue. I was worried I ruined it.
No, you made a great room. Look, it's so cute.
Then we need to print out these rooms. Hello? Can I order the best quality paper you've got?
Cool. Are we gonna put it all together now?
Yep, and it's the most exciting part. Stay tuned, guys. Good news! We got delivery. Let's see. Great quality. We can start cutting it out.
Sue, I think you might need this. Here you go.
Oh, I've always wanted to watch you work on your crafts.
Aw, thanks, Lumi. It's fun to make them, too.
My friends are gonna love your crafts. I can't wait to show them.
Keep working, Sue, and I'll get ready the next pieces.
We're done with the cover. Sammy, it's your cue.
I have a problem, Sue. The pages are missing.
I'm the biggest GALXE fan. These pages belong to me. No one else can have them.
Give them back, you. We need to finish our craft.
I'm sorry, I can't do this. I'm a huge fan of this band. These pictures help me be as close to them as I can. I got a car to drive them to their fantastic shows. Well, sorta. I even learned to play the guitar. No one's ever done as much for them as I have. Do you get it?
Trust me, buddy. I totally get you. I want to become a K-pop idol too! And I love GALXE as much as you do!
Oh, please, not this again.
Does it happen often?
Almost every day. Oh, they're finishing.
The pages are yours, Sammy. I know you'll take good care of them. Oh,
Thanks, Ken. You've made the right decision. I won't let you down. You can have my word.
okay. Then I can go watch their new show. Aww.
I got our pictures back, Sue, but it was very, very hard. Yeah.
Great job. But we've lost so much time. I'd better cut everything out very fast.
I'll help you, Sue.
Phew, I think that's all. Now we can glue it all together.
But be very careful. We can't mess it up now when we're almost finished.
We'll use this colorful spine to connect the cover. Now we'll attach the other part, like this.
Sue, it's time to furnish the rooms. I can't wait.
I want to be the first to see them finished. Haha!
Look, we got this lovely playbook. So many pages for each girl.
Wow, so many details. I want to look closer. Hey, Sue!
Sorry, Sammy, we aren't done yet. We gotta fill it.
There's an empty page. Let's add a game here. I got cards with our band. We can use them to make puzzles.
That's an awesome idea, Lumi. Ta-da! All done.
That's a tricky puzzle. How will we put it together?
Each puzzle will have its own spot. Now it's easier.
Oh, how could you cut cards with GALXE?
Let's add a bit of intrigue.
I brought more, Sue. I love interactive books.
Time to fill the rooms.
That's enough, Sue. I want to see my room so much. I can't wait.
Okay, what do you think about this? It's super cute.
And I've prepared the last room. Come take a look. Holy cannoli, I have great taste.
It's time for me to go, friends. Thank you for this amazing craft adventure.
So, are we done for today?
That's right. And the playbook turned out amazing.
I want to play with it right now, Sue. Bye-bye, friends.
Give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. See you.
Hiya, Ellington. What would you like to eat?
I don't know, Bucky. What have you got?
Oh, it's so unfair. A chipmunk of my standing shouldn't have to eat boring old acorns all winter instead of a hot meal like the lilybuds get.
There should be plenty of acorns over there.
Hello, girl lilybuds. What brings you to the Great Oak?
Hi, Ellery. We're just coming to get some acorns. They're all gone.
Finders keepers. Anyway, you lilybuds have lots of food. Why do you need acorns?
We promised some in exchange for magic seeds to a chipmunk named Ellington.
Ellington? Unusual name.
Actually, he has the same blue fur as you. Are you related?
I can't keep track of every relative with blue fur. However, since I'm in a generous mood, I'll give you the acorns I gathered if you take me to see this Ellsworth, was it?
Ellington, so where are all your acorns?
Hidden far away. Come along. We'll get them later.
Nothing's happening. Let's use some of our Lilybud powers to give Ellington seeds a boost. Come on, let's go together. Oh no, Cap. I think we've used up all our magic.
So let's just wait for the seeds to grow. Ellington said it wouldn't take long.
It is rather nice here in the sun.
Ellington, here, have the last of my mini cherries. I don't need them because of your magic seeds. We'll soon have fresh figs.
Hey, Bucky, why don't we go pick those figs with Thorn right now?
Yeah, one more song, eh?
Go, Ellington!
Sorry to wake you. You looked so peaceful underneath that bean plant.
Bean plant? You mean fig tree?
This is supposed to be a fig tree. That's what Ellington said.
Ellington, the little chipmunk with the suitcase?
Yes, he gave us magic seeds in exchange for acorns. Thistle and Lilac are gathering some now at the Great Oak. Wait, Did he trick us?
I don't know, but we'll find out. Spearmint, let's ride. Thistle, lilac.
I must have already gathered them all. No!
Here are the acorns. Why would they leave them here? Something's not right.
Stop the music!
But Chef Thorne, I was just getting my groove on.
Get it on later. I need to ask Ellington an important question. What's your favorite fig dish, since you're the guest of honor at my fig-themed fall dinner? Oh, thank you, Thorne. But once Thistle and Lilac return with the acorns, I shall be off to spread more joy. Joy can wait. I insist you stay for dinner as our guest.
What? Thorne! I can't believe you're inviting a chipmunk to dinner when you have never once invited me.
That's because this chipmunk is charming and helpful. Ellington, meet Ellery.
His suitcase is gone too.
I'll go look for him.
He's probably halfway across the park by now, spreading his joy. What a guy.
I'll go and fetch your new friend. You can come out now, cousin.
Shh, they'll hear you. I don't want them to know we're related, cousin. Oh,
You should have thought of that before. What are you doing here?
only pulling off the biggest trick ever. I got the lilybuds to collect acorns for me in exchange for plain old bean seeds. Ah, I'm good.
You don't trick the lilybuds with seeds. They grow things. That's what they do. And you don't ask for mere acorns. Not when Thorne can make you cakes and pies.
Oh, a good point well made.
Young cousin, don't feel bad. Now come along. We might as well play this trick out.
So it might have been an honest mistake. Maybe Ellington gave us the wrong magic seeds.
Nah, I snuck a look in his suitcase. They were all bean seeds.
At least we didn't give him any acorns, since Ellery took them all.
Look at the time. Dear friends, I must be going. So please don't bother with getting me any acorns and enjoy your figs.
Actually, Ellington, the seeds you gave us were...
Spectacular, delicious, a fig wonderland.
The seeds were perfect. But do you think we could have just one more?
I have found, Rose, that these magic seeds don't always work.
We'll find out. I'm going to plant it right now.
Yeah. What do I do, cousin? You know that's nothing but a bean seed.
Let me think.
Isn't this exciting? We're going to see your magic seeds at work.
The three of us have had a chance to sleep. I think we've got our powers back enough to grow a fig tree.
But those are figs. The magic seeds are real.
Thank you, Ellington. We couldn't have done that without you.
Rose, I found this sack of acorns near the great oak.
Hold on, those are mine.
Thank you, Zinnia. Farewell, lilybuds. Those figs are even better than I dreamed. If I ever see Ellington again, I'm going to cook him the best meal of his life. Oh, hello, Ellery.
Don't worry, I'm leaving. It seems I have some acorns to collect.